friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between iQOO Z5 versus Realme X1 Max device. And during this time of demonstration, I'll try to use 15 applications. As you can clearly see, 15 applications only. And before I did do a lot of demonstration using games, but let's see, using 15 applications, which phone can actually open these 15 applications faster and which phone can have what kind of RAM management speed. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first I need to clear everything from the background RAM management. All the apps are completely clean from the background. You can clearly see here. And let me show you what kind of Wi-Fi connectivity I'm connected right now. So both phones are connected to the same 2.4 GHz network. So that's also completely clear. So there is no problem and no doubt in that. And next thing is that I need to go to the Realme X1 Max and I need to clear the RAM management in the process manager. So all the background applications sometimes they do run. And I'm trying to use external RAM capabilities in the Realme X1 Max. And same thing applies for the iQOO Z5 as well. iQOO Z5 also I'm trying to use the external RAM capabilities. As you can clearly see, so which is fantastic fair comparison between both phones, nothing much huge difference. So now there's no running applications at this moment, and let's start the test without wasting any kind of time. So let's start with the first application, which is Google Chrome. So 1, 2, and 3. So both phones not bad, same kind of speed, and this is touch sampling rate. I'll try to draw some line. I need to disable this ultra game mode every time it will be enabled. Sorry for the disturbance. So I'll try to keep these lines in the background. And next is Play Store. Not bad. So both phones were kind of very close. Flipkart. Realme X1 Max was able to open slightly kind of faster in terms of the Flipkart speed. Let's try to keep some in the background, one of the mobile phone. Maybe let's keep this one. Yes. You can see the loading speed, how it's loading in the Realme X1 Max versus the iQOO Z5. In the Geek Benchmark score, I'll try to keep the scores which I got previously, comparing side by side. So just I want to keep this score in the background as a RAM management. So you can take a look at the scores as well, which phone has got what type of scores in case if you're interested. And is Amazon application also slightly faster in the Realme X1 Max in terms of loading speeds. And next is Adobe Reader. This is pretty normal application. I just want to keep this in the background after zooming in. And next is YouTube Music. iQOO Z5 did open slightly faster the YouTube Music. Instagram, let's me to click login and let's. And next is KineMaster video editing application. So already I did a separate video as well comparing both phones in terms of the KineMaster video rendering application. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So in this video I just want to keep this in the background as a RAM management only. That's the reason I did include the application. Next is the camera. Both phones were able to keep no problem, very fast. And fast application, and which is a Wi-Fi speeds which is going on exactly at this moment. So both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And let me to stop it here and let's go to the home page. And next is a zoom. Slightly iQOO Z5 was able to open slightly faster. So sometimes the iQOO Z5 is opening, sometimes the Realme X1 Max is opening. So in terms of the opening speeds, you can clearly see. So let me to keep this in the background RAM management, this poster. And you can see the loading speeds is slightly better in the Realme X1 Max in terms of the loading speeds, which little bit I did observe. And time to keep this in the background RAM management. Right now, all the games and all the applications are completely open in both phones. And one thing I did observe, something kind of weird, so is that in the Realme X1 Max, I'm not sure why I was unable to store more applications in the background. So in the iQOO Z5, I was able to store till the Google Chrome and everything was completely there in the background RAM management. All the 15 applications are completely there. In the Realme X1 Max, at this moment, I'm not sure why I cannot see any kind of previous loaded application. You can clearly see there's some kind of missing is there. So I did try to open it again and I did check, but I was unable to store these 4 applications in the background RAM management for some reason. But let me to check the RAM management, what is happening from the back side. Let's see. But iQOO Z5 was able to store completely, I mean in terms of the background RAM management, it was able to store really fast as well opening speed, so you can see. So till Amazon it was completely fine, and till Geekbench also it was completely fine. So from here, from Flipkart These 4 applications got completely deleted from this Realme X1 Max. I'm not sure why, but let me try to open and show you what is happening. As you can see, it went back to another again home screen. So I'm trying to select again, and is a Play Store also, which is available in the iQOO Z5 but not in the Realme X1 Max, and touch sampling rate is also there in the iQOO Z5 but not in the Realme X1 Max. Google Chrome also there in the iQOO Z5 but not in the Realme X1 Max. Now I'll try to show you the RAM management. You can see in the multitasking, all the apps are automatically got deleted. I mean, it gone from the multitasking. You can see now there is only, I think, 5 applications were there in the background RAM management, friends. 5. So I did open 15 applications. You did see in front of the camera. I'm not sure what is happening at this segment. I just want to try again in front of the camera. Something is going on. Maybe this might be after software update. Maybe the background is kind of limited at this moment. I did not change any kind of settings, nothing at all. No developer options is changed at this moment. So let's check for the 10 applications what is happening. Yes, 10 applications were there. Now let's move to the third row. Let's see what happens in the third row if I try to open Zoom and Myntra, and final one is a Facebook. Now let's see. Now let's go to the RAM management and see what is happening. So now it's kind of there in the background RAM management. I'm not sure what is happening. Sometimes few of the applications are actually automatically deleting from the multitasking. Like they are completely disappearing from the RAM management. It's not there in the multitasking at all. Sometimes it did happen a couple of times when I'm trying to do the testing without even clearing them. So that's another thing which I was just mentioning for you friends. That's why. So right now, after opening this all the applications, right now I think it should be kind of good. But sometimes they are trying to delete in the background RAM management in the Realme X1 Max, which I did notice. This I did notice only when I open more than 10 applications in the background. That's why I'm trying to show you. I think the Flipkart application again got reloaded. You can see what is going on. Now there are only 2 applications. What? You see something strange is happening. I'm not sure what is going on. So I did not pass the camera. I did not stop at all. Right now you did see I did try to open one by one, but I cannot find other applications in the background RAM management. It's kind of weird. So let me know in the comment section below, are you experiencing this kind of problem in the Realme X1 Max or not? I'll try to do a separate dedicated video on this particular topic explaining what is going on with the RAM management in this device, why it's behaving also, because this is my first time encountering this kind of problem. Before I did not see this kind of issues in the Realme X1 Max, not at all. But maybe after the update, there might be some kind of problem which is automatically deleting all the background apps, completely gone. So I'm not sure what is going on. So if I try to continue doing this kind of testing, definitely friends, the RAM management, the Realme X1 Max phone was unable to survive. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and see the next video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And finally the iQOO Z5 was able to slightly keep everything without any kind of problem in the RAM management from A to Z, all the applications without even getting reloaded, not even single time, which is instant reaction is there in this phone. That's it friends, thank you for watching and see the next video. Hopefully all the problems should get fixed in the Realme UI 3.0, which you may see in 1 month, 2 months or 3 months or 4 months, but I'm not sure exactly when. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.